Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English2Flow, where we learn English in a simple and relaxing way.
Hello, guys. Today's episode is very calm, very light, and very positive.
Yes, today we are not rushing, we are just chilling and learning.
And today's topic is how to be positive every day.
Sounds simple, but sometimes it is not easy.
Yes, because life is not always perfect.
But we can still try to stay positive.
Step by step.
Part 1. Start your day with simple thoughts.
Let's start with morning.
Morning decides your mood.
Yes, if you start your day with stress.
Your whole day feels heavy.
So try something simple.
Like what?
Just say, today is a good day.
Even if you don't believe it?
Yes, even then.
Fake it till you feel it.
Exactly.
Part 2. Small wins matter.
People think big success makes them happy.
But small wins are also important.
Like waking up on time.
Or finishing a small task.
Or speaking one sentence in English.
Yes, that is a big win for beginners.
Celebrate small things.
It makes your mind happy. Part 3. Avoid negative people.
Let's talk about people.
Yes, dangerous topic.
Some people always complain.
Always negative.
If you stay with them,
You also feel negative.
so what should we do?
Keep a little distance.
Not fight, just distance.
Protect your peace. Nice line. Part 4. Talk to yourself, positive way.
Do you talk to yourself?
Yes, sometimes.
Same here. I am my best friend.
Good.
But what do you say to yourself?
I say, you can do this.
That is positive self-talk.
Instead of saying, I am bad,
Say, I am learning.
small change, big impact. Part 5. Don't compare too much.
Comparison is a big problem.
Yes, we see others and feel bad.
But we don't know their full story.
Everyone has struggles,
So focus on your journey.
not someone else's life.
Improve a little every day.
That is enough. Part 6. Do things you enjoy.
What makes you happy?
Listening to music.
Nice. I like watching movies.
Everyone has something.
Yes, find your small happiness.
Even 10 minutes is enough.
Happiness does not need hours.
Just a small break. Part 7. Smile more.
Simple tip. Smile more.
Even without reason?
Yes.
People will think I am crazy. Maybe, but you will feel better.
That is true.
Smile changes your mood.
And also others' mood.
Ending, chill plus positive.
So today we learned how to stay positive every day.
Simple steps, no pressure.
Start your day well.
Celebrate small wins.
Stay away from negativity.
Talk to yourself positively.
And enjoy small moments.
Life becomes lighter.
And happier.
Before we go, homework time.
Yes.
Homework. Comment task. Write in the comments. What makes you happy?
One positive thing about your day.
Write 2 simple sentences in English.
Example. I am happy today. I learned something new.
Keep it simple.
Keep it real.
Keep learning with English2Flow.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.
Bye.